Okay, so now we're at the last stage of our technical drawing process. What we will need for this process is a 0.3 and a 0.1 fine liner pen, our ruler, the draft that we completed from video number 2, and our bank layout paper with our observational drawing and our garment description that was completed in our last class activity. You'll notice here that I have actually already inked up my first part of the skirt. So here we always do our front and then our back, just the same as we do in our garment description. We make sure we start from the front and then move through to the back. We have some important information that has been drawn here. So we've got our centre front line, so we're indicating where the centre front is on our actual skirt. You will also notice that I have written front here, and that we have the two different types of pen detailings, the thicker pen on the outside of the skirt and the finer pen lines for any of the stitching or extra details such as buttons. So I'm going to complete my back skirt and show you how we then use an ink up. So we're going to take the lines that I have already drawn and make sure that they match up with my centre back seam. I then want to make sure that they're nice, the skirt is nice and level with my front, and then I'm just going to use my bulldog clip again as per the other videos just to hold everything in place. Now we start off with our 0.3 pen and we're going to draw out the silhouette, just copying out the skirt as per our draft. One thing you will notice when I'm using my pen is that I am actually taking my pen and drawing it from one point through. So I draw 1 point and I let it go. Then I bring it a slightly higher than where it finished and I move through. This is so we get a nice consistent line, so we don't get all these bumpy lines in our drawing. So I'm now going to just draw in the yoke. So what you'll notice is I'm using my 0.3 pen, so my thicker pen, to actually ink up all the key seams in my garment as well as the silhouette of the garment. I'm then going to take my ruler and add in my centre back seam, just because it's nice and easy and I get a nice clean line. The same with my button wrap. Now I don't want to use my 0.3 for any of the extra details, so I'm going to go back to my 0.1, and this is so that the page doesn't get too messy. And I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm just going to use here and add in my stitching and finish off with my buttons. And the last little detail I need to add is my back, the word back. And so this is now a completed full technical with our observational drawing, our garment description, our front and our back view.